Hello guys, I got a quick one. I have a car with oxygen sensor, bank 2, sensor 2, stuck lean. As you can see, that's like a 35 millivolts. It's pretty much down to zero. I'm just gonna rev it up a little bit, couple of snap throttles. It's still lean. It responds a little bit. There you go. Well, this tells me that the sensor is okay, but the problem with this one, it has the exhaust leak, and that's why the sensor is reporting the lean on the downstream. So I hope guys you can hear the leak of the exhaust. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my smoke machine and smoke the exhaust and see if you can locate the leak. Well, the point of this video is just to see how handy the smoke machine is, and how quickly we can find the leak. Well, let's look for it. All right, I got my smoke machine hooked up. Here's the hookup here. This is the bag from blood pressure cuff. I've used this to kind of inflate it to keep the hose. You can see the smoke comes out already. But let's get underneath the car and see if we can locate the leak. And we can hear it for sure. So actually, let's go underneath the hood first. See if there's anything visible on this side. I don't see much. On the bank 2 exhaust manifold, I don't see any smoke. Let's get under the car. There's so much smoke come out of here. So this is right at the actually bank 2. I mean O2 sensor. Downstream oxygen sensor is the upstream O2, but I believe, you know, the air could get through this. But anyway, this has to be fixed first before we do any more tests on the O2 sensor. So there's a whole bunch of, this is a whole everything is cracked here, almost cracked, completely open. So we got to get this fixed first, and I think this will take care of our problem anyway. So, all right. Okay, guys. So you can see how easy it is to find the exhaust leak with these kind of smoke machines. I got a video, I'm going to put the link in the description how I built this one. There are plenty on eBay now, homemade smoke machines for like 100-150 bucks. Really nice tool. You can use it for exhaust, for vacuum leaks in the engine. I use it almost every week. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.